ये जो बाहुबली इंट्रोडक्शन आप लोग कर रहे हैं मेरे नाइट सूट के लिए, मैं कंजूसी क्यों की है चीला के साथ? हरा मिर्ची, अचार और दही भी चाहिए. Chicken curry, which you actually should have with the idli.
What? Chicken curry with idli?
Always my trusty chili with my food.
I feel like I'm interrupting your meal.
Vijju! Oh, dahi लाया. I want a तड़का वाला दही. It's fine.
Achar, dahi, everything. Your plate looks like
My life. बाकी लोगों का पेट के अंदर जाके मिक्स होता है, मेरा बाहर मिक्स करके खोल के.
you have broken every stereotype. Seeing a Bollywood actress in pajamas, eating the way you are eating right now, keeping your hair messy. Where does this confidence come from?
You know how I always found it fascinating when people can make themselves burp
Yeah.
and they can burp alphabet. Like some people can do that. Hi, Kamya. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Welcome
Wow, you
home.
look very pretty.
I know. I'm just coming back from an event, and
Oh,
I'm
okay.
very uncomfortable, and everything that I'm wearing right now is too tight, and I can't eat the meal that we've planned in this outfit. So why don't you make yourself at home?
For sure.
And I'm quickly gonna go change into my PJs and come back down.
Done. You have
Okay.
a beautiful house, by
Thank
the way.
you.
I'll check out the house till then.
Okay, see you. See.
Wow. I love this vibe. And I'm missing home now because
Yeah, but it's not going with my makeup because my makeup is still like in accordance to my old dress.
But that's the first thing you do when you come home, change into pajamas.
Yeah, and I haven't been home in 3-4 days because I've been traveling and promoting, and I've just been dying. This is my first like home cooked meal in a very long time. I've just been dying to be in my pajamas in my bed, and I'm just very happy.
I'm so glad that you called us for this and looking
That's why I
forward
didn't want to
to
do it in some restaurant or in some place. Like I have 5 hours in Bombay.
what's cooking today. What are we going to eat?
Okay, so I found this really nice moong dal chila ka recipe, which is very healthy because it's very low carb. And that with like some protein and vegetables. My favorite pongal, and I
Okay.
think some dosa and idli and sambar, which is our house ka speciality.
अच्छा और जब आप डाइटिंग नहीं कर रहे होते हो and then you can go all out and eat as much as you like to. What do you like to eat?
Paya and pao.
Paya
and then they
and
make
pao.
a mean like like jungly mutton at home. And then they make this green color mutton also. I don't know what's called. Hare mirchi ka mutton or something like that. Pulao, biryani, dosa, idli. Last night I had mawa ka paratha from Sharma Ji Da Dhaba in Jaipur. Oh my god, it was so good. I could just like die and like go inside like in between that paratha and just live my life there.
मावा का पराठा मीठा था. How was it?
Like what heaven tastes like.
Beautiful house, by the way.
Thank you.
How involved have you been in doing up the interiors?
We actually got it like this. I think all of the paintings are Papa's addition.
Have there been a lot of elements of you in the house? Like, what are
No, I
your
mean-
favorite corner?
My room,
Yeah.
my bedroom, also where my sister's sitting right now in her little TV room.
Sisters at home?
Yeah, but she's not gonna come out. इतने में एक ही बहन में.
एक ही बहन मिलेगी. तो क्या हो रहा है आजकल लाइफ में?
फिल्म की प्रमोशन चल रही है.
Ooh, I saw the trailer. Looks like a lot of fun.
You liked it?
Loved it.
चलो,
So looking
चलो.
forward to it. बहुत practice की cricket की
हाँ,
for
2
this.
साल.
क्या क्या तोड़ा? Shoulder, rank.
दोनों shoulders dislocate. यहाँ hairline fracture, यहाँ labrum tear. ACL का sprain हुआ. That's about it.
So you worked really hard for this. मतलब अपने कंधे वंधे तोड़ दिए.
Yeah.
But do you watch cricket? Otherwise,
I do now. Now I really enjoy it. Now I
Yeah.
think I'm very invested. I like tapping into that whole frenzy that takes over the country when like the World Cup's happening, when the IPL is happening. I feel like it really brings people together, and there's such an emotion, and I love that energy.
Yeah, you're making me feel like I'm very overdressed right now. Like I want to slip into my pajamas.
I have an extra if you want.
No, but that brings me to an interesting question. आप और खुशी कपड़े शेयर करते हो?
हाँ, लेकिन उसकी कमर बहुत छोटी है.
Really?
हाँ, बहुत. मतलब I think one leg is her waist, and she's also like really tall, and I'm not so tall. I'm little like butki compared to her.
And you guys fight. I have an elder sister, and she pampers me a lot. Of course, we have our days when we really fight, but gifts and everything. Like I feel very pampered.
I think I try to pamper her. I try
You
to
do?
pamper her as much as I can. Just like huggies and like taking care of her. I think I feel if she's having a hard day, I like hearing her vent. I think I've just always been very overprotective of her. And like I was thinking about it the other day, she went on a trip with her friend. She missed her flight and she was supposed to, like, the hotel was supposed to give her a car and they didn't give her a car. Some confusion happened. She called some random driver service or I don't know what car service and didn't inform any of us and started driving across Rajasthan to go to Delhi and stuff. And I found out and she was laughing and telling me and I was in a meeting and I remember flipping out. I think I'd just seen like NH10 or something. I don't know what had happened. I have started palpitating during the meeting. I've started screaming. I've said, Khushi, you're so irresponsible. How could you do this? Don't you care about my mental health? What are you doing? Like, you could get kidnapped. Anything can happen. And she's like, oh, but the driver's so nice. I'm like, kill that driver. How can you go with a stranger? This and that. Send me the car number. Send me this number plate. Make me speak to the driver. I was acting like a mad person.
You sound like a mother, not a sister.
But the thing is that I started acting so crazy that I started being very mean. Like, I don't know where to channel my anger and anxiety. I was like, you're so, like, how can you be so stupid? And how can you, like, I remember that day and I feel very bad about it still because I was so aggressive when it comes to anything that can jeopardize, like, the safety of the people that I love.
Yeah.
Then
you go crazy. Yeah. You have your house in Bandra. Any history of Bandra? You've always wanted a home in Bandra? Was there like a choice or?
Yeah, because all of my friends have been in Bandra. I think a lot of my work life is in Bandra. And I used to stay in Andheri, so like, you know what travel's like in Bombay.
Yeah.
Like, so much time goes just sitting in the car and I felt like out of 12 hours of like daylight, at least 6-7 was spent in the car, in the traffic, and it just felt like such a tiring waste of time.
Yeah.
Going back and forth. So now just the convenience of Bandra is great.
You've spent a lot of your time in Andheri Lokhandwala.
Yeah.
You did your schooling in Juhu,
In Juhu, yes.
And then now in Bandra. So do you have like any favorite hangout points or any favorite place?
I think Lokhandwala back road pe I'd go cycling and Ghoda Gadi a little bit. Quality Frankies.
Haan.
After school, Mama used to take us to have qualities. Qualities are Tibbs. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I think Tibbs.
But I think पास में ही था वो कलानी केतन के नीचे हुआ करता था. मुंह में पानी आ गया. I used to have that Frankie and then we used to go to have Natural Sky ice cream at night. Papa used to take us for a drive and every night we'd have that Natural Sky ice cream. Actually, Mom and Dad have much more stories of like food in Bombay. I think when she was pregnant with me, he would take her to have that also. वो juice center में वो मलाई fruit जो मिलता है, cream fruit and then also faluda and all of that stuff. I don't know where, but somewhere over there they have a lot of stories of just eating around there, I guess.
Yeah, but what about you exploring the street food of Mumbai? Do you have any
घर पे
favorite?
इतना अच्छा खाना.
You sound like such a homebody. Are you really like that?
Yeah.
Do you like to go out party sometimes or?
I have to go for a party today. I'm gonna not get out of the pajama. I have to be up at 6 a.m. tomorrow.
What kind of excuse would you give when you have to attend
No,
a
it's
party?
work.
But you don't
I
want
have to wake up at 6 a.m. and I haven't slept in the past 5 days. So I think I might. No, I mean, I will go and wish the person whose party it is because I want to and I'll feel FOMO if I'm not there. So I'll definitely go to wish, but then I'll retire to my humble abode.
What time do you usually sleep and what time do you wake up? What's
No,
your
my
daily
schedule
routine?
is too up and down. I don't know what I've done in the past 4 days. I've taken some 5 a.m. flight. I've taken some 11 p.m. flight. So my sleep schedule has been whenever you get time in the car, just ludak jao.
Do you like it?
I love it. I love it. I love complaining about it also, but I love it.
Yeah, you just sound extremely tired. I'm sure you're physically drained right now, but you wouldn't have it any other way,
I
would
love
you?
it. I mean, I'm especially when you're promoting a film that you
Yeah.
feel so passionate about. I'm just feeling happy to take this labor of love to as many people as possible. I'm very proud. So it's coming from a place of pride. So I hope it's not seeming cringe. I'm just very
Absolutely not.
I'm just very
sure.
happy, like running around like India and talking about money.
Yeah. I mean, you're exuding all the positive energy clearly, and I'm sure our audiences can see through
I
that.
hope so.
But you know, as an actor, one of the things that you have to give up on is to eat what you like whenever you like.
No,
Do
but
you
I,
feel that?
No, I make it a point to. कल रात को तो खाया मावा पराठा मैंने. No, once a week I allow myself
to
yeah.
eat whatever you
Yeah,
like.
because otherwise even like your body stops responding to like dieting, I think. So you need to let your body have what it's craving, and then you can go in for a reset. I think that works best for me. Khana aa gaya.
Oh wow.
Thank God.
There's an army coming
Yeah.
with lots of food.
These are the ladies of our house. Patricia's blushing. This is Patricia. This is Rekha. This is Vijju. She just got married.
Oh.
And this is Dimpy. Vijju क्यों इतना शर्म क्यों आ रहा है? कैमरा नहीं होता तो चपा 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 करते रहते. विज्जू आचार्य. ये कंजूसी क्यों की है चीला के साथ?
That's the मूंग दाल चिल्ला that you
या
like.
हरा मिर्ची अचार और दही भी चाहिए. Okay, I'm starting now.
You can start. Yes.
Yeah, I'm very hungry. Sorry, I should serve you and all of that.
No.
But I'm starting. I'm sorry.
Don't worry, I'll help myself because this food looks delicious.
Thank you. I've had zero contribution in making it.
But do you like to cook?
I make a good spaghetti carbonara. This is also an Instagram recipe, by the way. I make a
What
good
is
like
it?
paneer bhurji, but with lots of malai and cream.
Yeah, this doesn't look like a regular paneer
But it's
bhurji.
looking too watery today.
You know you've done cooking for Curly Tales.
Yeah, I know. I will
You
never
know.
forget that episode.
Why is that?
Because I said something really stupid and then got trolled for it. I think I was just like expressing my frustration about mathematics. मैंने आज तक मतलब कैलकुलेटर इन्वेंट होने के बाद आज तक मैंने अलजेब्रा का इस्तेमाल किया ही नहीं है. Math just makes you like retarded, I think. What I meant to say was math makes me feel very dumb because I'm so bad at it, but I think my choice of words was incorrect.
How do you then deal with it? You like feel embarrassed or are you like it's okay यार हो गया so हो गया अब क्या करें?
The internet has a very short attention span.
That's a good thing though.
Yeah, and you can't really give yourself so much importance. I don't think anyone cares enough. They laugh at you, they'll move on. So even you shouldn't give yourself that much importance.
Yeah. But it takes some time ना. I'm sure initially थोड़ा लगता होगा कि
Initially तो yeah, I was like भाई दुनिया में मैं ही हूँ और दुनिया मेरे बारे में ही बात कर रही है. It was very arrogant.
And it's great to see guests on our show eating, and I think it's a great idea. हम घर पर आके कर रहे हैं आपके. You
Yeah,
are
I've
big
noticed guests on your show, they only pretend to eat.
sometimes, yeah. तो आपके घर पर, you know, dad's Punjabi, mom's South Indian. So what kind of khana is made?
And this
Mix.
is half Punjabi, half South Indian. This is
Much
every
like
day.
that, yeah. Like paneer bhurji के साथ idli and sambar हो रहा है यहाँ पर. Half the dishes I don't even know. Please tell us. I can see this chicken curry.
Chicken curry, which you actually should have with the idli.
Wait, what? Chicken curry with idli?
You have to try that.
What is this combination?
You have to try it. It's very good.
Have you introduced this or is it a legit thing?
It's a papa thing. Diet वाले यहाँ देना उनको normal.
I know I don't look like I diet.
No, I don't want
But-
you to suffer. I've made such good food. This is Gujarati dal because I've actually grown up having Gujarati dal.
Okay.
And always my trusty chili with my food.
Really? You know, I have a fun game for you then.
What?
अच्छा, but you तो enjoy having chili.
Yeah.
मेरे गेम का नाम है स्पाइस और नाइस. तो अगर आपको जवाब नहीं देना है तो आपको एक बाइट लेना
मैं तो
होगा.
वैसे भी ले लूँगी.
वैसे भी ले लोगे. मेरा गेम ही फ्लॉप हो गया. अच्छा, बाय द वे, फर्स्ट आई वांट टू ट्राई दिस. तो दिस इज बोनी सर स्पेशल इडली विद चिकन करी. आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव एक्चुअली ट्राइड इट. इडली के ऊपर चिकन करी. आई एम वेरी नर्वस टू ट्राई दिस.
हाथ से खा रहा है क्या हो रहा है?
इडली हाथ से इडली नहीं आता मुझे हाथ से खाने.
मैं तो सब कुछ खा लेती हूँ हाथ से. मैगी नूडल्स भी.
This actually tastes good.
Yeah, why are you surprised?
Guys, have you all eaten idli with chicken curry? Please let me know in comments below because I think this is a weird combination, but it tastes good. और क्या क्या है आपका ऐसे weird combination जो आप खाते हो?
बाकी लोगों का पेट के अंदर जाके मिक्स होता है, मेरा बाहर मिक्स करके खोल के. I love Gujarati dal with rice. My home tutor Alka teacher was actually Gujarati and she would always make amazing Gujarati dal.
Which is a little sweet, right?
Sweet. So I've grown up having Gujarati dal and rice and ghee.
Best combo. No, but this is like a proper South Indian and North Indian combination.
This is my life. South Indian and North Indian combination. I just want to say I'm a very messy eater and I'm sorry
No, they're enjoying
about the
this.
visuals of messy eating.
You have broken every stereotype that a Bollywood actress is known for.
Which is?
Seeing a Bollywood actress in pajamas, eating the way you are eating right now, keeping your hair messy, which is so refreshing. Where does this confidence come from?
Out of exhaustion. Can't keep the act up anymore.
Okay, so let me give you a few choices for food. Okay, select one. Ghee podi rice or Andhra biryani.
Ghee puri rice.
Pesaretto dosa or Rajdhani thali?
I'm having a phase with thalis.
What kind of thalis do you like?
I really like Rajasthani food, so Rajasthani thali.
Rasam rice versus Rajma rice.
Rasam rice.
Palkova or Mama Kachori?
Palkova.
Beach vacation or a mountain retreat?
Beach vacation.
I don't know the exact meaning of these words, but I've seen you use it. Pavam,
Pavam.
or Kedi.
A kidi who pretends to be Pavam.
Yoga or dance workout?
Yoga as a workout, dance for fun.
And you have this beautiful outdoor space.
Yeah.
Do you usually-
It's really hot right now. Yeah, I've done yoga outside quite a bit.
Cricket practice यहाँ की है?
हाँ, वो साइड पे.
कुछ तोड़ा फोड़ा?
नहीं.
नहीं.
दीवार पे निशान आ गया लेकिन तोड़ा नहीं.
Okay. Morning person or a night owl?
Morning.
Reading a book or watching a movie?
Watching a movie which I really want to do after this meal.
क्या plan है? क्या देखना है? Do you spend a lot of time like on OTT platform?
Yeah.
Which is the last film or series that you watched?
The Great. Viju! Dal. Oh, dahi laya. I want a tadka wala dahi. It's fine.
किसका? जीरे का, राई का?
दोनों का and chili का.
Good. Is that a very South Indian thing to do?
It's an Instagram recipe.
Again. Which pages are you following? I want to
My
know.
homepage is only like food.
I love the passion with which you're eating.
My nose is watering.
Do you like spicy food?
Love.
Yeah. Okay. So another fun game which is called Spice or Nice. We might need more chilies. But ये तीखा है क्या मिर्ची या
Try
I want
करके
to try.
देखना.
मुझे टेस्ट करना है. मैं नहीं खाती हूँ कभी मिर्ची. Okay. Okay. My videographer is saying no, don't eat.
Go for it. ये क्या? This was not a bite.
I'm very scared. Okay. So far it's fine. I can't go beyond this.
Go beyond. You've not even eaten, barely eaten. That's why you're saying it.
No, I'll have you do this and have chili every time you don't want to answer a question.
Yeah.
Okay. So, have you ever been involved in an argument with a co-star?
Sorry.
I feel like I'm interrupting your meal.
No, no,
आप
it's
खा लो,
fine.
आप खा लो.
नहीं,
नहीं
नहीं,
बात नहीं
बता.
करते. नहीं
नहीं,
कोई
नहीं.
बात नहीं.
No, no, say. Sorry, say.
अचार, दही, everything. Your plate looks like.
My life.
True.
It looks like my life.
Have you ever been involved in an argument with a co-star on the set?
Yeah, I have.
An actor you would never like to work with again? You're not getting an answer to that. Okay. A film you rejected and regretted?
None.
Okay.
I'm very happy about everything I said no to.
3 words you say when you're angry.
Will I be beeped out?
Hindi or English?
English.
Okay, English.
One Hindi.
Which one? पूरे जज्बे के साथ बोला हाँ, मतलब
One Hindi, one English, one Telugu.
मुझे तेलुगु वाला.
Nakodaka. And honestly, Nakodaka is a very flexible word. You can actually be angry or like you can be pulling someone's leg.
Have you ever shoplifted?
I was a kid, I think it was in the Disney store. It was like some candy or something. And I didn't really understand the concept of money. Picked up something, like ran out and I met Papa and Mama and I said, I got this and we didn't even have to pay for it. And they were like, you thief.
What about hotel? Have you ever picked up stuff from the hotel?
Pillows.
Do you seek permission before taking or do you just
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay. I've got to go see all the pillows in your room
There
now.
are different hotels.
But they're really soft, na? Something different about their pillows which you don't find anywhere
No,
else.
I take it because I take it every time I forget to carry a pillow from home and I'm traveling and I have like a long flight. I take a pillow from the hotel so I can sleep on the flight.
Okay. Do you want water or anything? No. What's your spice quotient? मतलब कितना तीखा खा सकते हो आप?
Like my spice tolerance is higher than anyone I know.
Embarrassing thing that has happened on the set. Most embarrassing till date.
Basically, we were shooting a hospital in Delhi. The last scene I made, they put you in scrubs and I'd worn a slip, like a dress inside, and I was lying on the bed. And I didn't realize when I got up that entire dress had rolled up. And scrubs, the backside is open. So I've gotten up and I'm walking around and they've come running behind and covered me. Like,
A role you auditioned for but didn't get.
I auditioned for a film where the director wanted me and the producer wanted me, but the audition was to convince the person the film that was based on.
Like the biopic.
Yeah, I think it was like the decision was in her hands. But then that film only never got made. You know, everything happens for a reason, especially in this business, especially with movies, so you can't control too much.
Has that happened to you though? Where you are replaced in a movie?
It happens to everyone. An actor wants to get work. you'll do whatever you can to get work. So you really can't have hard feelings about any of it.
Did you always want to be an actor? Growing up as a star kid, and I'm sure a lot of people must be coming to, and उस time पे तो autograph होते थे, now of course selfies. How did you feel when a lot of people would come to your mom to take pictures or autograph? Did you like it, or was it annoying for you as a child?
I was just perplexed. I didn't have a like or dislike emotion to it. I'd get amused by how mom dealt with it. So many times they'd ask her, "Are you Sridevi Kapoor?" And she'd be like, "No, I'm Kalpana." Or she didn't want to be bothered.
Who's Kalpana?
She'd just make up a different name each time.
Okay.
I'd just be very amused by it. I think she'd have fun with it sometimes.
Always thought that you want to be famous, or did you always want to be an actor?
I think it was always I want to be an actor. Because in our house, I think what was always spoken about was the art and the craft of it, not so much like the running behind the fame part of it.
You also went to LA to, study films or understand cinema. मतलब एक्टर बनना था, तो didn't you think कि मैं यहीं रह के कुछ कर लूँ या वहाँ जाना जरूरी था? What did you
उतनी
feel?
बुद्धि नहीं थी ना, वो ही करना चाहिए था मुझे. Some of it was very helpful, especially all of the screenplay classes. Actually, I found the interaction with so many different people from different walks of life, being in an environment where they knew nothing about my baggage or who I was or where I came from. But I think their language of cinema is very different to ours. वो classes में जिन चीज़ों के लिए मुझे शाबाशी मिलती थी, यहाँ अगर मैं आके करूँ तो वो बोलेंगे कि कुछ तो करो भाई. Their lives are different, their stories are different, their problems are different, the way they speak is different. I should have just spent more time getting to know my people in my country, which I ended up doing after. That's why I say incorrectly and insensitively so that maybe it was a waste of time.
The first time you actually started working, आपने acting से पहले कुछ भी काम किया था, और straight away acting was the first
No,
job
straight
that gave
away.
you a paycheck?
Straight away acting.
How are you with money today?
I just leave it up to dad.
What about like when you want to buy something?
घर खरीदना था. Yeah, I asked dad. Like I wanted to buy some stuff for a trip that I'm going to, and I asked dad what my budget is.
Even now you do that.
Yeah, I need to.
And then you stick to the budget? Exceed it. You usually spend your money on travel.
Yeah.
And you go to Tirupati also often,
Yeah.
right? And we recently did a video about how spiritual tourism is actually catching up, because that is a
Yeah?
travel platform. Yeah, it is. And especially amongst the younger lot.
How come?
Gen Zs also. That's what I want to ask you. How come? What about your interest in religious places?
In the past 5-6 years, I've become very spiritually inclined. I think I just find a lot of refuge in my religion and in my spirituality and in Lord Balaji specifically. And I enjoy वो एक अंदर से बुलावा आता है ना कि अभी जाना है, तिरुपति जाना है, चढ़ना है, दर्शन करना है. मैं already I think 3 बार जा चुकी हूँ.
2024 में?
I think so. हाँ, मैं New Year's के लिए गई थी. मेरे birthday के लिए गई थी. Maybe 2-3 times I've already been. Like I'll go again now on mom's birthday.
You usually spend a lot of time like meditating, praying, or...
I have my phases with meditation. I'm not as regular as I want to be or should be. एक और चिल्ला खा लूँ? पालक खाना चाहिए.
Healthy वाला है. So you can 2 का 3 चल जाएगा. Are you following any diet?
No, I'm making it up as I go.
Like what are the
2
rules?
का 3 होता तो ठीक होता, मेरा 4 का 5 हो रहा है.
But what are the rules? मतलब no rice, no roti, but you can eat
I
like...
think just gluten I'm allergic to and it doesn't suit my body. So anything without gluten I'm...
So we were on the game, right? Spice or nice? Okay, tell us, are you dating anyone? बड़ा bite लेना पड़ेगा. We were expecting a spicier answer. But tell me, how would you be as a girlfriend?
I think I'm the kind of girl who's like always down to do what you want to do. Like if you want to go bungee jumping, I'll go bungee jumping. If you want to sit at home and laze, I'll do that. If you want to like talk about politics, I'll like get into that. If you want to like sit home and watch a movie, I'll do that. If you want to go on a trip across Europe, I'm down to do that. So I think I'm just down to have new experiences, especially when the person I'm with is extremely passionate about something. I like exploring that with them. The only thing I can't stand is when someone is just disinterested in all things in life, and I've met those kind of people.
Okay, yeah. That's a red flag.
Yeah, for me.
In one of your interviews, you mentioned you would either date a guy from Florence or from south of India.
From Italy or from South
Italy or
India.
from... Yeah. Something special about those boys?
I sound like a really weird chick, no?
I've been curious to know this.
I think I probably said South Indian because I feel very familiar every time I meet someone
Yeah.
from the south of India, and I automatically feel like home and I feel a connect. And And I guess I'm just attracted to people from the south of India. And I think I said Italian because I've idolized every Godfather character, even though they're all red flags. But I like how passionate they are about their family.
Yeah.
Like, what's that dialogue that he says, a man that doesn't spend time with his family isn't a man at all? I think that's Marlon Brando's dialogue in the film.
You mentioned about red flags. So what do you think are the red flags and green flags just in general in people? How do you judge?
मैं इतना judge नहीं करती.
नहीं.
Of course, if you're like an asshole, you're a red flag. And if you're mean to people around you, and if you're disrespectful to women, and you don't understand, the sensitivity with which you need to deal with people. But I also think it's a red flag to judge people too much. I don't like that. I like someone who respects that everyone has their own baggage and who carries themselves with a certain amount of lightness.
Okay. Do you have a stalker syndrome? Like if somebody's not answering calls, you would go on calling, texting, emailing. Does that happen?
No, I cap it at like 6 calls.
That's reasonable.
I think so. Is it not? I think it is.
So do you actually keep a count? 6 बार call कर दिया, अब और नहीं.
I don't have as much patience like chasing things, I feel.
What's the easiest way to patao Janhvi Kapoor?
Food. A nice meal and make me laugh.
Okay. And what's the easiest way to patao boys?
I think it's important to just have an honest connection with them. So just get yourself to be as real as possible. And that's refreshing.
Easiest way to manao you?
It's really weird, but do something for my dad or sister.
Really? Oh, that's a very high expectation. Okay, lines are also blurring between, chivalry and feminism. So if a guy pulls a chair for you, does that impress you? Or you're like, मैं खुद नहीं कर सकती क्या? Chair क्यों पीछे रहे?
खुद नहीं कर सकती क्या? No, I don't think. अगर करना है तो करो, but know that I can do it myself also. Each to their own, dude. As long as you're not coming from a place of like patriarchy.
What does it really take for you to get super angry with someone?
I think if someone makes you feel like you're inadequate because of your sex or where you come from or who you are, and not just directed towards me but directed towards anyone in the environment, I think that's a huge put off.
Has your idea of love and romance changed over the last few years?
I think I recognize and appreciate stability a lot more and friendship and trust a lot more. And I think I recognize and respect loyalty a lot more now than I did before. I think I like being completely devoted to someone and I expect that out of the other person, and I think that kind of deep connection is what I seek.
But is stability a rarity in today's day and age?
Yeah, I think it's tough to find the kind of person that will give you that stability.
Do you have a favorite movie of your mom which you absolutely love?
Mr. India?
That's a good one.
Yeah, and Jagadega Veerudu Athiloka Sundari.
South Indian movie.
Yeah.
How many movies have you done so far, Janhvi?
Dhara, Ghost Stories, Gunjan, Ruhi, Good Luck Jerry, Millie, Bawal, Mahi, Ulaj. 9.
9. And
9 completed, Devra's going on, and Sunny. Sanskari is also going on.
Which character feels closest to how Janhvi Kapoor is in real life?
Mahima from Mr. and Mrs. Mahi is closest to how I was, I think 2 years ago. I think how naive she was, how trusting she was, how much she lacked agency, how she was just okay living life on other people's terms. I think that was very similar to how I was. I don't think I'm like that anymore. How I am right now, I think maybe I definitely have an opinion and a voice. I definitely don't seek external validation as much. And I'm content with who I am a lot more and confident about the value that I think I bring. Tulsi Kumari and Sunny Sanskari, yeah.
Eating or do we want more?
मैं तो खाती रहूँगी.
It's good to see you keep stacking up with something or the other. मुझे भी pressure लग रहा है खाने का इतना फिर.
You have not eaten.
I
you
have.
nibbled.
No, I have. But it's
Shameful.
healthy, nice. I feel like suddenly now I have your attention now that you're done eating.
Really? Was I not being attentive? I'm so sorry. Was I not being attentive?
No, you were attentive.
I felt I was giving long answers.
No. You were fine. But it's good to see you enjoy food. How were you as a child? This confident, underconfident? What were the kind of complexities?
I'm underconfident. I don't even think I'm right now very confident. I'm just more confident than I was a couple years back. But You're not very confident.
No, what are the
but always
moments
like goofy, wanting to make everyone around me laugh. I'm getting hiccups.
You can give nice Dakar also now.
No, Dakars don't come easily for me.
Really?
They come once in a while, but you know how I always found it fascinating when people can make themselves burp
Yeah.
and they can burp alphabet.
Burp alphabets.
Yeah.
What's that?
You can like some people can do that. They can do that, I swear to God.
Who are these people? You want to hang out with these people?
My friends, they can all do it pretty much.
Who's the funniest friend you have? We see you hanging around with Ori so many times.
He's
but-
definitely like up there. He's really funny.
Okay, ours is a travel platform. Would love to know what is your idea of travel. आप अकेले गए हो कभी घूमने? Do you do solo travel? Have you ever done that?
I have.
Really? When and how and
In
where?
America actually. Because I spent time there studying. So I felt comfortable to just go there with just myself and maybe meet the friends that I knew when I was studying or just kind of spend time with the city. I think the city LA started feeling very familiar to me. So I think twice I've just gone on my own and some of my friends have been there, but I've met them sporadically and I've really just like gone for movies alone, lunches and dinners alone, like brunch alone, and I've quite liked it, honestly.
is that something that you like to do? Like just be by yourself?
Not usually. Somehow in America I did, but like Europe and all I probably wouldn't because I think there's so much romance around everywhere that I'd like want to either have like my friends around or my family around or you know someone around. I think travel in India I enjoyed doing in groups for sure.
And any favorite places in India that you really like to travel to?
I love Varanasi.
Yeah,
I
it's
love
beautiful. So much
Varanasi.
culture.
So
and-
much culture, so much beauty, so much history, so much flavor like in the people and the food. I've been
Are you now waiting to lick your fingers?
No, that I won't do. 'Cause
No?
I'm just thinking about how I got these nail extensions done and वो हमेशा पीले हो जाते
पीले हो
हैं.
जाएंगे अभी, I know. Okay, see, you can see the difference between
Yeah,
mine
and I get
nails
so
and
irritated to now sit and wipe this. I hope you enjoyed your food.
Yes, I did.
But you've not eaten. You had the idli and chicken curry.
I had a lot.
You
I
had
had
only
this.
half the dosa.
Yeah.
What was your favorite thing?
I actually genuinely like. See, you can see I finished the idli and chicken curry.
But you didn't
And I
try this
also like
chicken.
this. So what is this exactly?
This is like a, I don't know. I think it's just.
You've been eating without understanding what it is.
I
It just
just-
tastes good,
it
so
just
just go
tastes
on and
good.
on.
try it.
This is chicken.
Yeah, घर पे कुछ मीठा नहीं बनाया. It's good.
Would you
no?
like to eat meetha? Oh, this is nice. Coconut
It's
based.
coconutty.
Yeah, it's very nice.
I love like a tres leches cake or like a tiramisu, a cheesecake, panna cotta, caramel custard, palkova. I love gulab jamun and ice cream. I love mango sticky rice. I love like a nice chocolate mousse. I love like
Long list, just in your imagination. But are you off sugar or something, or do you eat?
no, I'm not having sugar. But
Not
yesterday I from today I'm going to start behaving. Yesterday and day before I ate a lot of like amras and that mawa paratha.
I have to try.
You
that.
have to try it. Sharma Ji the dhaba
Huh.
in Jaipur. Hitchki. Not even hitchki. I don't know what this is. This is like
A mini burp maybe.
I know there's no like gas or air. It's just it's just like I think जब कुछ तीखा खा लेते तो वो एक
Janvi, it's been wonderful talking to you. Enjoying this delicious meal.
Thank you.
And we all are looking forward to watch Mr. and Mrs. Mahi, which is releasing on May 31st.
yes in theaters near you.